So you have a diastasis recti and you want to know what to do about it. I'm Stephanie Magno, physical therapist with Redefining Health. I'm going to tell you the top 3 things that you can start today to start healing your diastasis. The first thing is breathing. You want to breathe. Put a hand on your belly, and I want you to just exhale. Breathe out. As long as you can. That sound, I want you to make that sound also, that shh sound, because when you make that sound, it's as if you are adding like weight lifting to your core. That's going to activate the transverse abdominis, which is going to help close the gap for your diastasis. I want you to do 2 of those as long as you can, 10 different times in your day. And I guarantee you in a few days, you are going to notice a difference in the diastasis. Number 2, after breathing, you need to watch how you move. This matters because there's some ways that you move during your day that are going to open that gap some more. So you want to stay up nice and tall, good posture. That means when you're sitting, not slumped in the couch. And then the biggest one is getting in and out of bed. You want to do what we call at Redefining Health a slide and glide. That means you're going to you're going to sit on your bed, on the edge of your bed, and then you're going to slide down onto your side. Bring your legs up into the bed and then roll to your back. In therapy, it's known as the log roll, but it's kind of boring, so we said slide and glide. So slide and glide in and out of bed. If you jackknife up out of bed or into bed, that is going to open the gap further. The one other thing that you do every day, hopefully, that is going to cause a difference in diastasis is how you poop. I know we said the poop word, poop. So you want to make sure and use a stool under your feet when you're doing the number 2, and you want to sit up nice and tall, and instead of bearing down, that's going to create more pressure internally and open up that gap. I want you to use that exhale and then relax the pelvic floor. You can also tip your pelvis forward and backwards a little bit. Pause backwards, forward, pause, and that will help get things moving a lot easier. If you're having trouble with that, then I want you to look up our video on constipation. We'll put it in the link below. So the third thing is food. Okay, there's 2 types of food. Internal food, so the best thing is going to be whole foods, and then foods that are super rich in collagen. The tissue right in the middle of the linea alba that goes down the center of the tummy is it's connective tissue, so you need collagen to really help support that. Bone broths are great, and there's a bunch of veggies that are great as well. So we're gonna put a link below in the description box to a PDF handout for you that you can get on the best foods to start with that support collagen production. On top of internal, there's also support with external. This I love. So you need a really good salve with a bunch of herbs that are going to feed your skin and your tissue. So it's basically skin food. And you want to apply that a few times a day. So I'm also we have a great product that we use at Redefining Health. We call it Go-To Salve. And we use it for a lot of other things, but we use it from our mamas to help repair, to repair stretch marks and to repair a diastasis. So that's going to be in the link below in the description box as well. And we're going to give, just for watching this video, we're going to give you 20% off. So if you catch that link, get your 20% off coupon and try out the Go-To Salve. You are going to love it. You can use it for multiple other things as well. And we'll put a handout for that as well for what else you can use it for. So that is the top 3 things that you're going to want to do. So if you like this video, I want you to make sure and hit the like button and subscribe for more great information about diastasis recti that actually works with Redefining Health here. So thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.